Well, that was interesting. I just had a power outage here. I'm in Mexico and it's a total power outage. I'm glad I carry backups and power supplies and stages just like this. Agreed, everybody?
Mm-hmm.
Now over there, you have power outages. They're fairly regular, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, glad you're through your election. Probably have less power outages, eh? Okay, we did the city presentation at 9 o'clock. Go to the next slide, please, Rolly. We had a great presentation afterwards with the rec center. We did some training for rec center on Vancouver Island, and the two individuals being trained showed up in Halloween costumes. One as a fairy and one as a kitty cat. How cool was that?
It's super
Next.
cool. Yeah.
Okay, new distributor daily training. Everybody's up to the fact that we've got a new distributor that we're going to walk them through all of the different layout options every single day. We're going to have a new layout being showcased in training now. We're ready to do this, everybody. Next. Emergency notification test networking. Actually, one of the programmers here just knocked in and said that he found something that may help on the uptime as well. But just know that I'm on that and that ticket. Rolly, you're making that, so Jeremy can get involved as well to poke around on the emergency notification network test. Okay, next. Okay, dairy safety project. One of our largest clients actually is in the business of milk. And so they have digital signage throughout all their locations for internal messaging with their team. And so what we're going to do is work on a safety project where it's going to have something of, how many days safe time, 110 days since the last accident. Okay. Next one is Shane sending off the quote for the Caribbean project. That's actually for oil company, which is kind of cool, right, Shane?
Yeah.
Okay. Right. Next. Shipping order today. So that's what Shane's helping coordinate with one of our partners in Las Vegas because we've got a whole bunch of equipment we got to get coordinated out to a few different places. So I think that's it. What else do we have for today? Click on the next thing. Nope, that's it, everybody. So there's the quick update of what we're working on today, other than RV and Rolly are working through layouts, right, guys? And Rolly is in the back of his mind thinking about how he's going to start doing Facebook advertising campaigns for the digital side.